Good morning all. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss the continuing lecture and continuing topic of management, the 14 principles of management given by Henry Ford. Here is the 10th principle. Till this video, I have discussed all the 9 principles out of 14. Now I will discuss 10th and 11th, both principles of management. The name of 10th principle is principle of order. Here it is written order. Here order. Just learn and just muck pot it. Order here doesn't mean instruction. Here order means arrangement. It is very important to note down here order. Order doesn't mean giving instructions and command to anyone. It means arrangement. It means there should be a fixed place for everything and everything should be at a proper place. Same is written here. In this principle, order doesn't mean command, but it refers to arrangement of men and material. That is a fixed place for everything and everyone in organization. Fuel insists that there must be a fixed place to keep every material and thing used in the organization, and fixed place or seat or chair or cabin for every employee of organization, so that no time and energy is wasted in search of any material or any person. For example, if a worker is in the need of a tool, he must know in which box or tool room it will be found. If he needs guidance from superior, he must know the fixed cabin of superior. If no fixed place is given, then worker will waste his time and energy in search of tool or supervisor. That's the principle of order. Order means order doesn't mean instruction and command. It means there should be proper place for everything and everything should be at a place. For example, घर में भी हमें कोई चीज़ ढूंढनी है तो that should be at a proper place. Okay. Similarly, in organization also, person की एक particular chair cabin होना चाहिए and every material को एक particular storage room में रखा जाना चाहिए, so that easily we can find them. There should be no wastage of energy and time. Next principle, 11, principle of equity. Just learn the dictionary meaning of equity. Equity means equality, means no discrimination, no partiality with anyone. Everyone should be treated same in the organization. Equity means equality. Same is written here. Equity means equality. We can also say equity means equal treatment for all. Yes, it is important to note down. Equity means equal treatment for all. Equity refers to kind, fair and just treatment to employees. Equity means kind, fair and just means justice treatment to employees. Employees will put their maximum efforts only when they are treated with kindness and justice. If a manager is biased, means partial. If a manager is doing biasness or he or she is biased or partial in dealing with employees, then employee will get dissatisfied and will not contribute to their maximum capacity. Equity doesn't mean equal salary. Okay, equity doesn't mean remuneration or fair or equal remuneration or equal salary. Okay, means it doesn't mean equal salary to a peon and supervisor. As we know, peon is at a lower level, supervisor is at a top level, so there must not be the equality in the salary. Salary should be according to post and qualification and also experience, but here we are not discussing equality in salary. Equality means same treatment for all, means if reward is given for the same work, then it should be same at higher level, middle level, lower level. If punishment is given for the same work, then it should be same for higher, middle and lower level also. Okay, so equity doesn't mean equal salary, it means equality in treatment. But equity means application of same disciplinary rules. Yes, rules must be equal for all. If someone breaks rule, then same punishment will be for all. Leave rules in the same way. And in the same way, equity means no discrimination. It is important to note down, equity means there should be no discrimination. कोई भी difference, कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए as per religion, gender, language, caste, belief, nationality. किसी वो चीज़ को लेके कोई differentiation नहीं होना चाहिए, because all employees are equal. They are the part of the same organization. For example, in MNC or multinational company, people of various nations work together without any discrimination. As we know, in many companies which are multinational, many nations, different nations people are working together. As well as we find a person of Indian origin, Mr. Sundar Pichai became CEO of Google. Yes, Sundar Pichai became CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Google. Sunil Sood became the CEO of Vodafone. Yes. Means there is no discrimination of Indian people in other nations, in other countries. So there should be no discrimination, no partiality, no biasness, and treatment for all should be same. If there is punishment, it should be same for all. If there is reward, it should be same for all. Okay. So these are 10th and 11th principles of management by Henry Ford. Only 3 principles are remaining that I will discuss in other videos. Okay. Thank you for listening. Thanks to all.